So I woke up extra early this morning, so it's still pretty dark, but today I'm going to go see the Redwoods. Back to that good old PNW weather. Yes, I got 2 this morning. One more sip before the trek. I know it's raining, but you're still coming. Come on. So I think I found my new home. Okay, I will admit I did miss the woods, so this is pretty awesome. Don't think I forgot about you. You're gonna grow big and strong like the others one day, okay? Promise. Okay, I'm gonna make a part 2 because there's so much to explore, so stay tuned.